It's not just for self-study. Using a PJS, we build a real-time person-to-person classroom. When a teacher um, navigates, every student device syncs instantly. Like if we if I click on summary and generate, the same changes will apply here. Even we analyze facial landmarks using gestures, engagement metrics, and teacher will get live feedback. Finally, we have the accessibility tools like here, dyslexia, high contrast reading, ruler size for those who have the reading problem. At last, the classroom AI powered by Google Gemini. This is the future of learning.